One of three doors hides a bag of gold, and you will get it if you pick the right door. As a smart cookie, you know there's equal 1 in 3 chance for each door, so let's say you pick the first one. But regardless of your choice, now one other door without gold is revealed, and you're offered to change your pick. Do you switch to door number 2? It doesn't matter as it's 50-50, right? Wrong! You should always switch to improve your chances. It's very counterintuitive, but your initial pick still has only 1 in 3 chance, remember? You in fact choose between your first single door and the other two bundled together, so switching means doubling your chances. Still not convinced? How about 100 doors? You make your pick, 98 empty doors are revealed, and you can switch to the only other door left. You still think there's 50-50 chance you pick the right door from the start? So the real choice is this: stay with your initial and likely losing pick, or switch to all other 99 doors and win if gold was among them. So this is Monty Hall problem. Now proceed to win TV shows and bets with your friends.